The Montech MKey offers an exceptional blend of features, performance, and style for a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard. After thoroughly examining expert reviews, customer feedback, and technical specifications, it's clear that this keyboard stands out in its category for delivering a premium experience without the hefty price tag typically associated with high-end gaming gear. One of the key highlights of the Montech MKey is its hot-swappable key switches. Pre-installed with Gatron G Pro 2.0 Browns, the keyboard provides a satisfying tactile feedback that strikes a great balance between gaming and typing. If you prefer a different switch feel, you can easily swap them out without soldering, offering customization flexibility that many users appreciate. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers and typists who want a personalized experience. The RGB lighting is another standout feature. With per-key RGB capabilities, the Montech MKey dazzles with its vibrant color scheme that's sure to brighten up any desk setup. The multicolor LED backlighting can be easily customized to your preference, giving it a visually striking look, especially in dimly lit rooms. Coupled with 3 adjustable typing angles, it's easy to find a comfortable position for long gaming sessions or typing marathons. In terms of build quality, the Montech MKey offers solid performance for the price. The inclusion of extra keycaps gives users an opportunity to further personalize their keyboard, which is a nice touch. However, the software utility for customizing the RGB effects and other settings can be a bit subpar, leaving room for improvement. Additionally, while the rotary knob adds a cool factor, it cannot be reprogrammed, which limits its functionality for those who enjoy full customization. While it doesn't come with a dedicated palm rest or pass-through ports, these omissions are understandable given the keyboard's price range. The Montech MKey still manages to provide an excellent experience with its 105 keys, onboard profile storage, and N-key rollover support, which is essential for gamers who need precise keystrokes in fast-paced situations. Ultimately, the Montech MKey is a standout in the budget mechanical keyboard market. Its hot swappable key switches, vibrant RGB lighting, and solid build quality make it a compelling option for anyone looking for a reliable gaming keyboard that doesn't break the bank. It strikes a perfect balance between performance, customization, and price, making it one of the best choices in its class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.